Hey there, fellow artists and digital creators. Are you ready to take your artwork to the next level? Have you been searching for the perfect drawing tablet to unleash your creativity? Well, look no further. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of drawing tablets, exploring the best options on the market. Whether you're a professional illustrator, a budding graphic designer, or just someone who loves to doodle, we've got you covered. So, grab your stylus and let's get started with our countdown of the top 7 drawing tablets that will revolutionize your digital art experience. Let's kick off our list with the Wacom Intuos Pro Medium, a tablet that's been a staple in the digital art world for years. As soon as I unboxed this sleek device, I knew I was in for a treat. The build quality is exceptional, with a sturdy yet lightweight design that feels premium in every way. One of the standout features of the Intuos Pro Medium is its impressive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. This means that every stroke, from the lightest touch to the boldest line, is captured with incredible precision. I found myself able to create subtle shading and intricate details with ease, almost as if I were working with traditional media. The active drawing area of 8.7 by 5.8 inches provides ample space for most projects, striking a perfect balance between portability and usability. I appreciated how the tablet's surface has a slight texture, mimicking the feel of paper and providing just the right amount of resistance for natural drawing. The Wacom Pro Pen 2 that comes with the tablet is a joy to use. It's comfortable to hold for long periods, and the tilt recognition allows for realistic brush effects. The pen is also battery-free, which means no interruptions to your creative flow for charging. Customization is where the Intuos Pro really shines. With 8 express keys and a touch ring, I was able to set up shortcuts for my most used tools and functions, significantly speeding up my workflow. The multi-touch gestures are also a nice touch, allowing for easy zooming and canvas rotation. Moving on to number 6, we have the Wacom 113 Drawing Tablet. This device is a game-changer for those looking to transition from traditional to digital art. The moment I plugged it in, I was impressed by its plug-and-play simplicity, no complicated setup required. The 13.3-inch Full HD display is a standout feature. Colors are vibrant and accurate, making it a joy to work on. The anti-glare film on the screen reduces reflections, which I found particularly useful when working in brightly lit environments. The screen's texture provides just enough resistance to make drawing feel natural and intuitive. One of the things I love about the Wacom One is its versatility. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and even some Android devices, making it a great option for artists who work across multiple platforms. The included pen is comfortable to use and doesn't require charging, which is always a plus in my book. The display's size strikes a nice balance between portability and usability. It's large enough to comfortably work on detailed projects, but still compact enough to easily fit in a backpack for on-the-go creativity. I found myself taking it to coffee shops and parks for outdoor sketching sessions. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of some higher-end models, the Wacom 113 offers excellent value for its price point. It's an ideal choice for students, hobbyists, or professionals on a budget who don't want to compromise on quality. Coming in at number 5, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. This isn't just a tablet, it's a powerhouse of creativity wrapped in a sleek, portable package. From the moment I picked it up, I was impressed by its premium feel and stunning 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display. The S Pen that comes with the Tab S9 Plus is a marvel of technology. With its low latency and pressure sensitivity, it feels incredibly responsive and natural to use. I found myself seamlessly switching between sketching, note-taking, and digital painting without any lag or disconnection. One of the standout features of the Tab S9 Plus is its versatility. It's not just a drawing tablet, it's a full-fledged Android device. This means you have access to a wide range of drawing and design apps from the Google Play Store. I particularly enjoyed using Clip Studio Paint, which comes pre-installed and offers a desktop-class drawing experience. The tablet's performance is top-notch, thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Even when working on complex, multi-layered projects, I experience no slowdowns or lag. The 12 GB of RAM ensures smooth multitasking, allowing me to keep reference images open while working on my main project. Battery life is another area where the Tab S9 Plus shines. I was able to get through full days of drawing and sketching without needing to reach for the charger. And when I did need to power up, the fast charging feature got me back to work in no time. At number 4, we have the Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch, 6th generation, a device that has revolutionized the way many artists work. The first thing that struck me about this tablet was its gorgeous Liquid Retina XDR display. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the brightness is impressive, making it a joy to create on. The Apple Pencil, 2nd generation, pairs perfectly with this iPad, offering an unparalleled drawing experience. The responsiveness is incredible, with virtually no lag between the pencil's movement and the line appearing on the screen. The pressure and tilt sensitivity allowed me to create everything from delicate sketches to bold, expressive strokes with ease. One of the standout features of the iPad Pro is its powerful M2 chip. This processor handles even the most demanding art apps with ease. I was able to work on large, complex Procreate files with multiple layers without any slowdown. The 120Hz promotion refresh rate makes everything feel incredibly smooth and responsive. The iPad Pro's versatility is another major plus. It's not just a drawing tablet, it's a complete mobile studio. I found myself using it for everything from initial sketches to final touch-ups, as well as for client presentations and even video editing. While it's on the pricier side, the iPad Pro's combination of power, portability, and the vast ecosystem of creative apps available on the App Store make it a worthwhile investment for many artists. It's become an indispensable tool in my creative workflow. Taking the bronze medal in our countdown is the Xencelabs Pen Display 24. This large format display tablet is a dream come true for artists who crave a spacious canvas for their digital creations. When I first set it up, I was immediately struck by the sheer size of the 23.8-inch 4K display. It's like having a digital easel right on your desk. The color accuracy of this display is truly impressive. With 99% Adobe RGB coverage, what you see on the screen is what you'll get in print. This level of color fidelity is crucial for professional work, and I found it invaluable when working on projects that required precise color matching. The pen experience on the Xencelabs Pen Display 24 is top-notch. It comes with 2 pens, a thin and a thick one, both offering 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. I appreciated having the option to switch between pens depending on the task at hand. The pens are comfortable to hold for long periods, and the buttons on the barrel can be customized to your preferred shortcuts. One feature that really stood out to me was the anti-glare etched glass surface. It provides just the right amount of texture to make drawing feel natural, while also reducing reflections and glare. This made it comfortable to use even in brightly lit environments. The included shortcut remote is a game changer for workflow efficiency. With 40 customizable shortcuts spread across 8 sets, I was able to set up different configurations for various software and tasks. This significantly reduced the need to reach for the keyboard, allowing me to stay focused on my artwork. Coming in at number 2, we have the Microsoft Surface Pro 9. This device blurs the line between tablet and laptop, offering a versatile solution for artists who need both a drawing tablet and a powerful computer. When I first got my hands on it, I was impressed by its sleek design and build quality. The 13-inch PixelSense Flow display is a standout feature. With its 120Hz refresh rate and 2880 by 1920 resolution, everything looks crisp and smooth. I found the color accuracy to be excellent, which is crucial for digital art. The 3:2 aspect ratio provides more vertical space compared to traditional 16:9 displays, which I found particularly useful when working on portraits or vertical compositions. The Surface Slim Pen 2, sold separately, is a joy to use with this device. It offers 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt support, allowing for precise control over line weight and shading. What really impressed me was the haptic feedback feature, which simulates the feel of pen on paper, adding an extra layer of realism to the drawing experience. One of the biggest advantages of the Surface Pro 9 is its versatility. Running full Windows 11, it can handle any professional-grade software you throw at it. I was able to seamlessly switch between Photoshop, Illustrator, and 3D modeling software without any hiccups, thanks to the powerful 12th Gen Intel Core processor. The ability to detach the keyboard and use it as a pure tablet is a game changer. I found myself often detaching it for a more immersive drawing experience, then reattaching the keyboard when I needed to work on other tasks. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for artists who need a do-it-all device. At number 1, we have the Wacom Cintiq Pro 22 Drawing Tablet. This is the creme de la creme of drawing tablets, and from the moment I started using it, I understood why it's considered the industry standard for professional digital artists. The first thing that struck me about the Cintiq Pro 22 was its massive 21.5-inch 4K display. The color accuracy is phenomenal, covering 100% of the Adobe RGB color space. This level of color fidelity is crucial for professional work, ensuring that what you see on the screen is exactly what you'll get in print or on other displays. The etched glass surface of the display provides a perfect balance of resistance and smoothness. It feels remarkably similar to drawing on paper, which made the transition from traditional to digital media feel natural and intuitive. The anti-glare treatment on the screen also means you can work comfortably even in bright environments. The Wacom Pro Pen 2 that comes with the Cintiq Pro 22 is a marvel of technology. With 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, it captures every nuance of your strokes. I found myself able to create everything from delicate lines to bold, expressive marks with incredible precision. The pen is also battery-free, which means no interruptions to your workflow for charging. One of the standout features of the Cintiq Pro 22 is its Express Key remote. This customizable device allows you to set up to 17 programmable buttons and a touch ring, giving you quick access to your most used tools and functions. I found this to be a huge time saver, allowing me to focus on my artwork without constantly reaching for keyboard shortcuts. The build quality of the Cintiq Pro 22 is exceptional. It feels solid and durable, built to withstand the rigors of daily professional use. The included stand allows for easy adjustment of the drawing angle, which I found crucial for maintaining comfort during long drawing sessions. While it's certainly an investment, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 22 delivers unparalleled performance and precision for professional digital artists. Whether you're working on intricate illustrations, complex 3D models, or detailed photo retouching, this tablet provides the tools and capabilities to bring your creative vision to life. And there you have it, folks! Our countdown of the top 7 drawing tablets on the market. Whether you're a beginner just starting your digital art journey or a seasoned professional looking to upgrade your setup, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, the best tablet for you is the one that fits your specific needs and workflow. So, which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on digital art and technology. Until next time, keep creating.